Krud Kutter, the must for rust that makes rust removal quick and easy. This proprietary formula quickly dissolves all signs of rust and oxidation and helps prevent it from coming back. It's highly effective on all types of metal, including stainless steel, cast iron, and more. In this video, we will show you how to use the must for rust to make a rusty metal panel look like new. Before you begin, be sure to carefully review all the directions on the package. There are 3 ways to apply the must for rust product. You can spray it on, brush it on, or as we're doing here, you can pour the must for rust into a plastic, glass, or stainless steel container and submerge the metal directly into the liquid. Whatever method you choose, make sure that the rusty surface remains wet with the must for rust formula. Next, wait 5 to 15 minutes. Check the progress periodically and watch the rust disappear. Heavier rust deposits may require slightly longer to work. Reapply the must for rust if necessary, then wipe the surface with a damp cloth. That's all it takes. The must for rust works faster than other rust removers with no sanding or sandblasting required. The clean like new surface is ready to be primed, painted, welded, or lubricated in just 1 hour, and the must for rust will keep protecting bare metal for up to 12 months. For additional information about Krud Kutter cleaning products, visit Rust-Oleum.co.za.